Hey there, it's Brooke with WTI. If you have been looking for something to occupy your toddlers, whether you have one or many, for hours, I highly recommend this BlueWood Pikler Triangle set. My sons play with this from morning until night. I really love how easy this was to put together. It came with everything I needed. The instructions were very straightforward and I was able to do it by myself with no issues, which is not something I can usually say. There are so many different configurations for this. My sons just switch it around all day long. I really like the pastel colors, so it's not like an eyesore in my living room. It actually looks pretty cute just sitting out, which is where it is all the time for everyone to see. It even comes with this super nice cushion that goes in the arch when you turn it upside down, and it's kind of like a little rocking chair for them, which is really cute. My sons have so much energy, and especially since it's been so hot outside, I was trying to find activities for them to do inside, and this was the absolute perfect distraction. They play with it for so long, it has really saved my days. If you're looking for something to save your sanity and occupy your children while you're stuck indoors, I highly recommend this Pikler climbing set. It is so cute, easy to assemble, and both of my sons absolutely love it, so I love it. And that's my point of view.